Salapuikkoja, pinaciletto ja mikä sen nimi on, punajuuriketto. Ja pizza!
In Finland, around 1 million school meals are served daily. School meals can therefore have a big impact on the development of sustainable food systems. In the Just Food project, the opinions of Finnish school pupils are being actively sought during the development of the new sustainable school meals. The environmentally friendly meals have gained much positive appreciation. For example, using greater vegetable content than meat in meatballs has been easily accepted.
Mikä meitä yllätti, oli tosi paljon se silakkakiusauksen suosio.
Flavour is a really important factor in school meals, as tasty meals get eaten, which means far less waste. Also, a relaxed dining environment is considered equally important.
Semmoinen rentoutumis- ja osapäivästä.
Sustainable choices should be promoted at the serving point. School meals in Finland were introduced already in 1948. The aim was to build up food security and support learning. School meals have proven to be an effective way to balance socio-economic differences in nutrition, which has proved to be a success.
Jos me ei syötäisi kouluruokaa, siitä olisi kauhean nälkä, olisi vaikea keskittyä.
Now we must take the opportunity to evolve and develop sustainable and healthier school meals.
Terveellisyys ja ympäristökestävyys ruuassa kulkee aika lailla käsi kädessä.
School catering services should commit to evolving a more sustainable approach to the provision of meals. This requires taking account of pupils' tastes and needs. In our experience, pupils are open and eager to contribute.
Hyvä, että annetaan just oppilaiden ensin antaa mielipiteet niihin asioihin, eikä vaan vaiheta suoraan.